Welcome to Intelligence Gateway. Bitcoin exchanges. A Bitcoin exchange is a marketplace that allows users to buy and sell Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies using various currencies, such as USD, Euro, or other fiat currencies, or other cryptocurrencies. These exchanges act as intermediaries between buyers and sellers, providing a platform for trading and often offering additional services such as wallet storage, margin trading, and more. Here are some popular Bitcoin exchanges. 1. Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the largest and most well-known Bitcoin exchanges. It offers a user-friendly platform for buying, selling, and storing Bitcoin, as well as other cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum and Litecoin. Coinbase is known for its strong security measures and ease of use. 2. Binance. Binance is a popular exchange based in Malta that offers trading in a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. Binance is known for its low fees, high trading volume, and wide range of trading pairs. 3. Kraken. Kraken is a popular exchange that offers trading in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. It is known for its high security standards and low fees, as well as its advanced trading features. 4. Bitstamp. Bitstamp is one of the oldest Bitcoin exchanges, founded in 2011. It offers trading in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies, as well as fiat currencies such as USD and Euro. Bitstamp is known for its reliability and security, as well as its user-friendly platform. 5. Gemini. Gemini is a regulated Bitcoin exchange based in the United States. It offers trading in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies, as well as a variety of trading tools and features. Gemini is known for its strong security measures and regulatory compliance. When choosing a Bitcoin exchange, it is important to consider factors such as security, fees, trading volume, and ease of use. It is also recommended to store cryptocurrency holdings in a personal wallet rather than on the exchange to ensure maximum security. Bitcoin Wallet. A Bitcoin wallet is a software program or hardware device that is used to store, send, and receive Bitcoin. Bitcoin wallets come in different forms, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. Here are some of the most common types of Bitcoin wallets. 1. Desktop wallets. Desktop wallets are software programs that are installed on a user's computer or laptop. They offer a high level of security, as the private keys are stored on the computer and not on a third-party server. Examples of desktop wallets include Electrum and Bitcoin Core. 2. Mobile wallets. Mobile wallets are software applications that are designed for use on a smartphone or tablet. They offer convenience and ease of use, allowing users to send and receive Bitcoin on the go. Examples of mobile wallets include Mycelium and Bread Wallet. 3. Hardware wallets. Hardware wallets are physical devices that are used to store Bitcoin. They offer a high level of security, as the private keys are stored on the device itself and not on a computer or third-party server. Examples of hardware wallets include Trezor and Ledger. 4. Web wallets. Web wallets are online services that allow users to store and access Bitcoin through a web browser. They are convenient and easy to use, but also come with some security risks as the private keys are stored on a third-party server. Examples of web wallets include Coinbase and Blockchain.info. When choosing a Bitcoin wallet, it is important to consider factors such as security, convenience, and ease of use. It is also recommended to use a wallet that allows users to control their private keys, as this provides the highest level of security and control over their Bitcoin holdings. Module 3. Alternative cryptocurrencies. Altcoins overview. Altcoins are cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin. The term altcoin stands for alternative coin and refers to any digital currency that is not Bitcoin. Since the launch of Bitcoin in 2009, thousands of altcoins have been created, each with its own unique features and characteristics. Here are some of the most popular altcoins. 1. Ethereum. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin by market capitalization. It is a decentralized platform for building smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps. Ethereum's native token is called Ether. 2. Binance Coin. BNB Binance Coin is the native token of the Binance Exchange, one of the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Binance Coin is used to pay for trading fees on the exchange and to participate in token sales hosted on the platform. 3. Ripple. XRP Ripple is a digital payment protocol that enables fast and secure cross-border payments. It is often used by banks and financial institutions to facilitate international money transfers. 4. Cardano. ADA Cardano is a blockchain platform that uses a proof-of-stake consensus algorithm to validate transactions. It is designed to be more scalable and energy efficient than other blockchain platforms. 5. Dogecoin. Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency that was created as a joke in 2013 but has since gained a large following. It is based on the popular Doge internet meme and has been used to tip content creators and support charitable causes. Altcoins can offer different features and use cases than Bitcoin, and investors often diversify their portfolios by holding a mix of cryptocurrencies. However, it is important to do thorough research and analysis before investing in any cryptocurrency, as the market can be highly volatile and unpredictable. Ethereum. Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain platform that was launched in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin. It is the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization after Bitcoin and has become a popular platform for building decentralized applications, dApps, and smart contracts. Ethereum is designed to be more than just a cryptocurrency, with a focus on creating a platform for building decentralized applications that are secure, transparent, and censorship-resistant. The platform uses a proof-of-work consensus algorithm to validate transactions and create new blocks, but is in the process of transitioning to a more energy-efficient proof-of-stake algorithm. One of the key features of Ethereum is its ability to create and execute smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts that automatically enforce the terms of an agreement between parties. Smart contracts can be used for a wide range of applications, from digital identity management to supply chain management and more. Ethereum also has its own native cryptocurrency, called Ether, ETH, which is used to pay for transaction fees and to incentivize miners to validate transactions and create new blocks. Ether can be traded on cryptocurrency exchanges and is often used by developers to raise funds through initial coin offerings, ICOs. Overall, Ethereum is an innovative platform that has opened up new possibilities for decentralized applications and smart contracts. As the platform continues to evolve, it is likely that we will see even more use cases and applications built on top of the Ethereum blockchain. Litecoin. Litecoin is a decentralized cryptocurrency that was created in 2011 by Charlie Lee, a former Google engineer. It is often referred to as the silver to Bitcoin's gold and was designed to be a faster and more efficient alternative to Bitcoin. Like Bitcoin, Litecoin uses a proof-of-work consensus algorithm to validate transactions and create new blocks, but uses a different hashing algorithm called scrypt. This algorithm is designed to be more memory-intensive and therefore more resistant to ASIC mining, which can give large mining pools an unfair advantage. Litecoin also has a faster block generation time than Bitcoin, with a new block being created every 2.5 minutes compared to Bitcoin's 10 minutes. This allows transactions to be confirmed more quickly and makes Litecoin a more efficient cryptocurrency for day-to-day transactions. One of the key features of Litecoin is its low transaction fees. Because the network is less congested than Bitcoin, transaction fees are generally lower and can make Litecoin a more attractive option for micropayments and other small transactions. Litecoin has also implemented the Lightning Network, a second-layer scaling solution that allows for faster and more efficient transactions by opening payment channels between users. This technology has the potential to greatly increase the scalability and usability of Litecoin and other cryptocurrencies. Overall, Litecoin is a popular and innovative cryptocurrency that offers a number of advantages over Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. While it may not have the same level of market capitalization as Bitcoin, Litecoin continues to be a popular choice for investors and users alike.